In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix this error message that says your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. So let's get started. Now you want to start by going to your Start menu and go to Control Panel. Now go to System and Security, head to System, and make sure that your system type is 64-bit or 32-bit operating system. Go ahead and close the tab, and now you should check for this particular text provided in the description and copy the first one. Head over to your Chrome, and in the search bar go ahead and paste it. Now what you want to do is download the file according to your system type. So according to my system type, this one is the most suitable because it's a 64-bit system. Now I'll go ahead and download it, so just follow the same process you are seeing on my screen. Alright, once done, go ahead and open it and go ahead and click yes. Then it will begin installing the update. Installation complete. Go ahead and close it, close, and head over to the second one, copy it, go back to the search bar, paste to go. Now you want to do the same thing. Go ahead and look for the one that suits your system type and download it as well. Continue the process by clicking on that link. Once it's done, go ahead and open it. Click yes. Now go ahead and restart. Now once restarted, you want to go ahead and force restart. Yes. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and copy the third one. Copy. Head back to your Chrome. Now go ahead and paste it in the search bar. Same thing, go look for the system type you have, Windows 7 and 64-bit. That's what you should pay attention to. Go ahead and download it. Click on the link. Once it's done downloading, same thing, go ahead and open it. Click yes. Installation complete. Close. Now close as well. Now go to the fourth one and go ahead and copy it. Come here, paste and go to. Now pay attention to the 64-bit, that's that X64, and make sure it's Windows 7. So go ahead and download it. Click on this link, and it's a large megabyte, so you want to be patient, and once it's done, go ahead and open it. Now click yes. You give it time. The installation might take some time, so you want to be patient. So go ahead and restart now once the installation is complete. So now that it's done, you want to go ahead and check your Roblox player, and you won't get that error anymore. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.